Hello girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Robothought Zero to Hero series. We are on lesson number 77. Great Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, in this lesson I am going to show you how to access a dictionary item. Alright. Now you can basically access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside a square bracket. It's as simple as that. Let me show you with an example code. Alright, let's do some coding guys. I'm on Jetson Nano. I have already logged into my terminal. Alright, now let's open the existing existing Python file, nano dict.py. Alright, this is the previous code. Let's delete this code, okay? Done. Let's create something new. This dictionary equals what bracket? Curly bracket. Let's say brand and close the quote is, open the quote, Ford, okay, and then separator comma. Let's say model, open and close with a double quote is, and again what model? Mustang. Alright, and then bracket. Let's say year, open and close the double quote, year is, that is your colon, right? What was that? 1964. This is an integer guys, so no need of double quote. Now let's close with the curly bracket. Alright, now what we got to do? We have to print, right? Let's see, x equals okay, this dictionary dict. Now you got to use the square bracket, okay? Now what do you want to access? Let's say model, okay, model, and then close it with a square bracket. And now let's say print. What are you going to print? X. Alright, that's all guys. It's as simple as that, right? So let me run it. Let's say Control O, enter, Control X to get into the terminal again. Let's execute this file, python3 dict.py. There you go guys, there you go. You got the model from the entire dictionary, right? So that's how you access a particular value from a dictionary. It's as simple as that. Alright guys, I hope you guys are enjoying, and do please give a like and thumbs up, and do leave a comment below. I am gonna get back to you soon in the next video. Bye bye.